Some vocabulary terms that you might want to take note of are concurrent, point of concurrency, circumcenter of a triangle, circumscribed, in center of a triangle, and inscribed. So during our exploration activity, we were able to talk about what it means to be concurrent and what a point of concurrency is. So we know that a triangle has three sides. So it has three perpendicular bisectors. And when we construct those perpendicular bisectors, this is what we're going to find. Okay? Now the perpendicular bisector does not always pass through the opposite vertex, so you need to take note of that. So we talked about what it means to be concurrent. It means when three or more lines intersect at one point, and that point is called the point of concurrency. Now if we construct three perpendicular bisectors of a triangle, so perpendicular bisectors, meaning for each side of the triangle, we're going to pass through a line that bisects that side in a 90-degree angle, such as that. So you do that for each side, and what happens is those bisectors are actually intersecting at one point. So in this diagram, they're all intersecting at point P. Now that is what we call the circumcenter of the triangle. So what the circumcenter of the triangle produces is that the segments that are made from the circumcenter to each of the vertex are all going to be the same length. So this length is the same as this length, this is the same as this length. Or PA is equal to PB equals PC. It could also be either inside, outside, or on the triangle, depending on the type of triangle we're working on. So if it's an acute triangle, it will be inside. An obtuse triangle will have a circumcenter outside. A right triangle will have a circumcenter on one of the sides. One more thing about the circumcenter is that when we draw a circle around the triangle, such as this in this diagram, so you have a triangle, and we say if this is the circumcenter of the triangle, that point is actually also the center of the circle that circumscribe the triangle. What does it mean by circumscribe? So circumscribe is when the circle touches each vertex of the triangle, is such in this case. So for example, you are given that those segments are perpendicular bisector of the triangle ABC. Right, so this is the triangle ABC. And we have the perpendicular bisectors DG, EG, and FG. DG, EG, and FG. You're asked to find GC. We're looking for this length right here.